Hello everyone, today we are going to unboxing the Himiway C5 new generation electronic motorcycle from a Himiway family series. I'm really excited to unbox it and install it with you guys. Let's check what is inside.
There's a coffee cup,
Here's a cap, some screws, front night, toolkit, winch. Here is the pedals, protective rack, ring, and here is the charger.
First, we need to remove the tires from the e-bike, then put the box down and take it out. It will be easier if you have someone to help you do this. In addition, if there is any problem with the product you receive, you need to keep the box for a period of time to solve the relevant problems. Handlebars installation. Step 1. Loosen the bolts on your bike stem. Step 2. Center your handlebars and rotate them to align to the marking pointed. Step 3. Tighten bolts to handlebar stem, but don't tighten completely, as you may want to further adjust the angle later to align more precisely. Test the positioning and adjust the handlebar to your preferred angle. After determining the best position, completely tighten all the bolts on the stem. Front wheel installation. Step 1. Loosen the front wheel nuts. Remove the front wheel hub axle. Step 2. Remove the plastic axle guards from the front wheel, being careful to avoid contact with the brake rotor set. Step 3. Carefully flip your bike upside down for the front wheel installation. Step 4. Remove the front forks protection bar by manually pulling it straight up. Pull out the black pad, which is used to protect the hydraulic brake caliper. Step 5. Align the hole in the center of the tire with the hole in the hub axle. Then, insert and secure the hub axle while ensuring that the brake pads of the front wheel are properly engaged with the brake. Step 6. Tighten the front wheel hub axle. Headlight installation. Step 1. Loosen the bolt on the fork brace. Align the bolt holes of your headlight with the hole on the fork brace, then reinsert the bolt through all the holes and tighten the bolt with a 5mm wrench and a hex wrench. Step 2. Connect the headlight wire connectors together. Pay careful attention to the arrows on the wire connectors, making sure the arrows align with each other to avoid damaging the interior circuitry. Pedals installation. Make sure your pedals are installed on the correct side, as installing on the wrong side will damage the screw hole. Indicators for the right pedal, R, and the left pedal, L, can be found in two places: the stickers on the plastic cover and the bottom of the pedal threads. Before you install the pedals, apply a small amount of waterproof grease onto the spindle. Start threading the pedal on by hand to ensure the pedal is going in perfectly straight, rotating in the direction of the pointer shown on the crank. Protective support installation. Loosen the two screws corresponding to the two holes of the protective frame and tighten them. Bell installation. Remove the screws from the bell, clamp it on the handlebar, and tighten it. Now we have completed the entire assembly of this Himiway C5. Looks great, right? Let's check it for success. Oh yeah, it works! I can't wait to try it outside. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Bye!